Hello everyone, this video is being produced for Technology and Plastics Showcase 2021. My name is Brian Whitaker. I'm a technical manager for ID Additives. We are a family-owned company based in LaGrange, Illinois, a suburb of Chicago. We specialize in purging compounds, chemical foaming agents, other additives, and what I specifically represent here, a preventative maintenance cleaning system. We will be talking about the EcoPro 360 chemical, as well as the Cart, which is the flushing system specifically designed for the 360 chemical. You'll see some videos of the Cart being used in various applications, but any of the video clips that you see here today are available in full length on our YouTube channel. You can simply search for ID Additives. Please subscribe while you're there. We started out utilizing the EcoPro 360 chemical for surface application treatments, whether that was on molds or platens or just general rust within someone's facility. It was about that time that a customer called stating that they were using the chemical in their cooling passage by way of a different flushing system. However, and unfortunately, that system would break down every 3 to 4 months because it wasn't designed for our chemical. But they liked the performance of the chemical so much that they justified buying 3 to 4 of these units on an annual basis. Obviously, we thought we could improve upon that, which is where the EcoPro Cart came to fruition. We put a filter on the back first and foremost to allow our users to reuse the chemical. But secondly, what's different and what sets us apart from the competition is that we utilize a air diaphragm pump versus an electric pump for a couple of reasons. One being you don't have to run an electrical line anywhere, but more importantly, the safety factor being that an air diaphragm pump will actually sense a pressure buildup if you have a blockage anywhere and pause operation, whereas most of the industry offerings have the electric pump, which can't sense that and will simply build up pressure until a line downstream ruptures, obviously causing a spill somewhere, usually a caustic solution that nobody wants. Beyond descaling and cleaning out your cooling passages, we see a lot of success clearing out chill rolls, feed sections, jackets, portable chillers, and heat exchangers. A lot of users like the heat exchanger portion because you can leave the heat exchanger on the press and flush inline, preventing your maintenance team from having to pull off that heat exchanger. But again, we have lots of content on our YouTube channel, whether it's cleaning PVC dyes, mold bases. There are more before and afters of the cooling passages and heat exchangers. We even posted some videos walking users through operation of the Cart. But please do, while you're there, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more information, you can find us at idadditives.com. And please do check out our Lunch and Learn section where we're happy to host one for your facility.